So today we are going to make a fondant again. So firstly, I'm going to sift the icing sugar. This is the icing sugar that I've got, and this is the marshmallow that I've got. So I'm going to show you again, and of course we are going to color it with brown. I have some PMA color and also this one. So I hope this will enough. We're going to measure here we go. Icing sugar to 500 grams. Let's see, 500 grams. So here we go now, guys. We are going to put I'm going to use gloves. So now I'm going to put shortening on the pan, so it won't stick it too much. It will stick, yes, but then it will not stick too much. Here we go. Of course, our spatula, we're going to put it also some shortening. So I have so many friends from Facebook that are requesting me to do it again, so I'm going to do it again, okay? So I will try to put the 200 grams, all of it, and I have some 30 ml or 1/8, 1/8. So I'm gonna pour that here. So you can mix it if you want, it doesn't matter. So I won't put it too much because later I'm going to put some more liquid color. So I'm going to put this in a microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds, and so I'll see you in 1 minute and 20 seconds, okay? So here we go now, guys. I'm going to check this. I think this is it's okay, you know. So I'm gonna mix this, and I think this is very I'm pretty happy with this. So I think this is enough. I'm not going to put that back again. This is okay now. So I need to mix it. So you need to mix it until it will combine. Make sure there's no more big lump. Okay, so then you need to pour your icing sugar. Don't pour it all, just pour it a little bit. That's it. Then try to combine it. You can use your mixing bowl or mixing KitchenAid with the one that you use for making bread. That's but for me, I'll try to use this one for the meantime to show you without any mixer. But I did before the one with the use of mixer, and it's not really it's not doing very good. So I'll try this one anyway. So combine it, and I've got a bit of fondant here. This is the normal fondant that I use, but then we will mix it together later. So for the meantime, I'm going to mix it with the use of my spatula. So here we go. Let's try to combine it. Anyway, it's a little bit, so this time maybe I can use my gloves now. I will use my gloves to combine it, and also I can use my I can put this together in here and I can mix it. So here we go. The last time I did put the in the here to nail it, but this time I will try to use that here so you can see how it's look like. Okay, so it's stick. Yes, it's stick, so it's all right. It's gonna be like that. So because it's still soft and I still have more icing sugar here, I can put it, but not all of it, only gradually. So here we go. Excuse me if you can see my phone over there, because I was using it to film from my microwave before. Oh, there we go. So that's gonna be happen, so it's all right. It's melted marshmallow anyway, so it's not a problem. Just continue kneading it until it will combine on your icing sugar. There we go. So this is gonna happen. It's very soft. So let's try to use the other bowl. It's sticky, I know. It's gonna be like that. And also, it's still a little bit soft. That's why I put all this sugar. If I can see that it's a little bit hard already, or not hard, but here we go. That's gonna be happen. Okay, let's try to use the salt paste now. It's stick on my gloves, in it. But don't worry, guys. Don't be. It's gonna be like that. You can't do anything with that. It's mean that it's work, innit? So let me get my spatula and try to take it out. It's sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky. There we go. Look, I cannot get out it. Let me do. Ah, can you see that? It's sticky. Wait a minute. Let me. The last time, it's sticky also, but it's stick on my hand. I should put shortening on my gloves also. Anyway, I already put that before, but not all of it. So now, this is gonna happen. So that's okay. Oh, it's waste. Also this one. So let's try. I'm gonna put some shortening. Don't throw this one. If it's happened to you, don't throw this one. Okay. I'm gonna take out my. So put some shortening on your hand, like that, and then try to remove the one in there, and here. It's sticky. It's fondant, guys, so it should be sticky, isn't it? If it's not sticky, so there we go. Let's take it out, and also let me take out the one in the gloves. I should put shortening before on my gloves. Loads of shortening. So there's another one. It's disaster. It's disaster. It's always sometimes when you do something, it's gonna be disaster. So here we go. But you need to be more quick, otherwise it's gonna be let me get some. This is the time now that you can use this one. So here we go now, guys. I'm going to color this fondant that I made using the I think this one. I'm going to use